From Amlarem, one can take the first right and travel to Padu, which is at a distance of about 11 km. Padu is famous for its trek to the many root bridges and falls, but Nongbareh village has the most accessible root bridge in the area. Nongbareh, a distance of 23 km from Amlarem, has its uniqueness with gift of nature such as betel nut cultivation, as it is the commonly used in Meghalaya, especially in welcoming guests in a traditional way. Most family members are into this business, working collectively as it naturally grown in this area. A place called Po Yau is such a place that the footpaths are made of solid rock since olden days. It was told that since 1956, this path were used by the local people in travelling as well as for carried goods to the village. It is said that this path was the connectivity of the people in this area to cross by the nearest village from the farm work. The entire path is of one solid rock crafted with footsteps so as to easy people to travel. Another aspect of Nongbareh village has the most accessible root bridge in the area, Living Root Bridge, a bridge that were built without using any nails or any man-made building material, but just the living roots of two trees attached to one another. So far, the living root bridges in the area are the most sought-after destination for tourists and trekkers in particular. In Nongbareh village, there is one living root bridge over the stream Amlayi, and this particular bridge is a double-decker bridge. There are two living root bridges in Kudangrim, a village near Sokha. One of the two bridges in Kudangrim village is on the river Amlamar and another is on the river Amkshar. These living root bridges mentioned, grown from two trees, Ficus elastica or Ficus indicus tree, Dangri in local parlance, were planted on each side of the river, and once the trees start growing, the local residents manipulated the roots of the trees to connect each other across the span of the river. Once the main roots are connected to each other across the river or stream, the residents start to direct more roots to make the bridge rail, and so on and so forth.
jong kan ka jingking ri ka de ka am lamar ki briu ki labun hiban ki wan ki long kum ki nong kanadaro ki lawan hi sane sa akan ka thain an pet kai na kaliang jong ka senong kam padon ban le lamar ba kidang long kum kalinti ban le kade ka jingking ka ba punya so ba ko dang thamai ba ko dang rim ka long ka enti ka Malaysia so khabat sadu dau ki ban long ka enti yau kan ne pudan ban ong kumno namar ba kampat ya kren kin ya ka la ka liang long ka kinang wan petkai kan ka senang ha kan ka jaka na kalian jong ka senang kala kalau don jing thrang hi ang misiwa ka long tang simala temta pat ka senang kala prakhat ban kala don jing thrang ban ya chakmat na kalian ka turis tim ro ado menta kan pat yo kata ka jing yo na kalian ka sarkar ro na kalian jong ka senang ka kuwa hi ban petkai ya ki beriu ka seno ro ki pediang ban petkai sene akan ka thain yang ni tung ban ka jing diri kublesi pun kumpi ki nong durason bawan pen itu ya kan ka jaka jongi hakmat ka sarkar
kaliang jog ka senang ka wa bah ka thrang ba ki we ki jalla kumju na bar ke jonggari India bakin wan impet dala de kan ka jaka kan ka thanjung ka long ka ba itnat do kata bakin ida ke jong hikmat nila dan bun ba gini ki jaka ki ba itnat kumgi waterfalls ki krem kubon nang ta ki jaka long ki jaka kumni ki food rich nang ta kini ki kenja ki kshaj nga kerpat ya ki beriu bakin wan pej ya kini ki jaka jong i bakin pej kan no ka jing tenat jong kini ka thanjongi kini ki mariang ki ba ais da ubulei baran trong.
The waterfall, which is called Amlama River, is another nature gift to this area where in summer season it was told that the fish are found plenty out here. The viewpoint describes the beauty of nature and the density of forest area in this place. Amchari living route bridge that connects villages of Nongbareh and Kudengrim. The goal is to make it convenient for the farmers to cross the river even during monsoon when rain causes the rivers and streams to overflow. The process, or rather the tradition of making, or should we say growing a bridge, is bioengineering at its best and a living testimony to the genius of our ancestors, particularly the warriors of Jaintia Hills district.
ngalalong rang ba Shillong hangane ka Shillong nadu usnem ka kendai span rupuar nga yalong komiti bat kibriu rang ba nasngau ya ke jing yesu kana baro te ya ka kerteng kane ka umpan mdon batip mano babu kerteng namar ba mensyua ki don ki we pat ki jaj briu ki wan syong hang ne te ki bu kerteng kita ya kane namar kata ngi hadu menta fi kelip kamut ayu am na ye ngi mimtip ma ka bang itip kalong ka am la ye la ye am la je kane kawa sapang kane ke jingking kane ka jirin de ding jiri kiriu temen jung hindai kat sabadon ki wa ki ki thung ya kini ki ding kenang bakin yo ban pun jingking ban pelong jingking bangin yo ban yat kejat haga por bang adang kena nga kane ke jingking kadang tang we usai dang we usai rek kat banang yat ki por minta te ulah he kumne ulah long kiu kalinti jungi kane nang ne na po ndai mun siwa tenda la he unu ding te hang tang saya tu nong thung ya kane ka ding u de u sngai som talang wa thung ya kane ka ding te adin kata kanang he ngila yo ban pelong jingking poi ma phiru hap sim ka we ka thet ki apa phiu I ka hiat ban pen kiu ban sa jingking po toru kumta hadu bukan dalong jingking kumne te ka karta jong kane ka jingking la kumno kala poi sa kan rupos ne ubatung ya kato ka ding jiri ude Shillong tong per te hadin kata kat ki balik trei ki pet ya ki thet ki sim we sina kum ta he kar kom briu singi we sina te hadu bakan dalong kum ta te ka ega bangala ban ong nga ka bangala ban ong kalong tang ka we nde bu ya ka jinglong jong ki we pat ki jaj ben riu bakin long kum kini kinong thung ya kini ki ding kinong bu nam de kinong thung ya ki mau kinong ri dok kha kumta kane ka de ka jing sedang jong kiriu temen ya ka to ka am ye pi men syua kiriu ndai riu temen jungi kibu lai sinang bat ka Nongbareh bat ka am koi bat khong la nalor kata ya ka to ka am ye nang to kibu pade da kita kiblei kidon lai jaj kiblei hang to ba kibu bat kita kilong mu kuma mensang we lat nyong mang ar yang lengkut lai nyu rieng sao kibu ya kata ya kita kiblei lada pilih tu ya kata dok kha kin ring swai pin rai kho pin ko pin man la kata ka jingbu jongki tang ba ki pendon kam ya kata dok kha tang ya ki bapang ba hitom kham tam ka por kha khun ka por kha khun ki kin thei don kan ne ka ba ki ong sok liang ki yo bam dau to dok kha ki ko na mensyua kalong kumta haka jinget jong kini ki briu jong isene santeli ki lau kentang jong kini ki senang ki bagi kentang kai we ka lau kentang da ka we hi ka rukom niam ka rukom jat ka we da ka we hi ka rukom niam rukom penjat kalong kumta hi nalor kata pada ka bangala ban itu i pipi kadon ka kenro kumto kumba pipet bedon kimat nata kidon ki mau put kidon ki mau benah kidon ki mau nam kalong kumta kidon ki we pada yang ti ki mau jong kita kimar ki bru ki paklan bor ki don hang thi bang ilai bu korpang da ki jaka ki babiang hang thi pedeng snong ka lempung jong tau long kenyi jong ki jaj lamin
Another peculiar of Nongbareh village is also famous for the fish sanctuary, which has the rare chocolate mahseer fish, which is on the list of endangered species of fish. The Meghalaya Mahseer Fish Sanctuary is a classic example of micromanagement and is located at Nongbareh village under Amlaram subdivision. About 1.5 km of this stream is being protected by the village Dorbar, where chocolate mahseer has extensively populated and swims along with the children. A small check dam was constructed across a part of the river. The Meghalaya River originates from Kongla village, covers a distance of 5 km from Kongla village to Nongbareh and meets the Umngat River. Conservation is very important since the species indigenous to the state are the wealth and need to be preserved for posterity. They form a source of livelihood for many and also offer a great potential source as sport fishing for aqua-tourism. Apart from the Nongbareh sanctuary, a small check dam was constructed across one part of the Meghalaya River, which has been declared as fish sanctuary by the people of this village.
Ini kaliang jonggan kan markan ketika jaka ketika jongga taka lai Shillong khongla Nongbareh bar amkoi te ngikum gi lai Shillong ni la penne pensa iknega jaka nadu kipor ki barim baja nadu kipor bam siwa te kanega jaka kalong ka jaka kabangi si penne pensa iknegi dokha kabanangkong kata kamut ngi penne pensa nama bangi yo ibaga kanegi thwe hangne ki habangi somngi sai habangi le kinang kinong ne habadan kani ka dokha kata kamut kinaka ka bam kini ki jing ki bam ki jakle jaklai ne deng kata ka daw ka pengkhoi ka kawa kata ka banangkong te ka ba arbade kata kamut habadan kani ki dokha kamut yangi hapo ka sinong ka thaw ka jungi ni sel ai kita gi breu ban bam kini ki dokha khamtam ki to ki bapang ba sistem habaki pang sistem ki kwa e ka dokha ban bam khamtam e ka ne ka dokha kawa de ka ne ka dokha ba rihang ne hawa amle ki pan na ki naw rang ba sinong ai ki khwai na ki khwai ki yo ki set ki bam te ki na ki la bam ki ta ki yo ka ta ka jing ko ki jing khia kumba man swa ne man taru ka danglong hi kumta te ka ta ka jing mot bangi penne pensa amde tang na ka benta kita ne ka de ka we na ka benta ka ba ni i ba ka jing itanat ki ne ki jai dokha itanat ban ka jog poru ka jing itanat ka jing khoi ka kom kawa bat kumta terta ki ba bruna bar ki sejwan khamtam ki ne ki ofsar ki ne ki bru sarkar la banong ki bru sarkar ki sejwan hangne wan pekai nda ki wan pekai ru ngi artat iki bakin khwai sngoba ngi ai ki katokan ne ki khwai ka hadin kata ngi ai yo artli la tli ki kenya ta.
In Padu village, it was informed that there are 3 living root bridges very close to Padu, which is again less than 10 kilometers away from Amlaram. All the 3 living root bridges in the village are on the Amdap Creek, which connects the farmers to their farmland. People of this area are engaged in broom cultivation, which is their daily life routine during its seasons. They travel all the way the hills in collecting the broom to the village, where they have to cross Stream River with the help of living root bridges such as Sokabang, Amlayi, and Baliat bridges. The making of the bridge was a community effort because it took years to complete the bridge and the work for building the bridges was done voluntarily. In Warjantias, it is a tradition that the farmers themselves jointly make the path to their respective orchards or betel nut and betel leaves plantation, and they are also responsible for maintaining it. The bridges are part of the trail towards the terrain where they farm on making the root bridges, and maintaining the same is by tradition the responsibility of the farmers. The contribution of an individual farmer in the making of the bridges could simply be by way of helping tie the roots while walking down to his plantation. If one found a root that has wandered away from the planned handrail, it was set right. Sometimes a sliced bamboo strip is used to tie the roots together and put them on the right direction. Hence, the farmers who use the bridge is in the course of many years contributed in whatever way they could in making the bridge. Since it is also a living bridge, it still needs care and protection. Hence, farmers are not only the makers, they are also the keepers of the living bridges.
Kerteng jong ane ka jakal ne ka jingking ka dei ka sua ka bang. Bat ya kane ka jingking latung da kimen barim. No ngim da tibha ya ka kerteng. Te katkum ka jing atu jong giri orang ba ha ka porba ngabat kum orang ba sinong ha ka snem arajar khat ar khat lai. Ki atu ba ya kane ka jingking latung da kimen barim. Bat ka snem jong ane ka jingking ngim da tibha bat menta kala jan dap da kispa snem. Katkum gajing atu jong giri orang ba. Ha gajing sisya ha gisnem ar khat lai. Ngi laju pelong ka wei ka program. Lane ngi pelong ya ka trekking. Bat ha kane ka trekking ngi asnok ti rengkat bat ka Shillong bat ka district officer yang tourism departemen maskom rengkat bat UDC. Namar VI ba kane ka jingking kalong ka ba atrak ba. Fi namar ka kamper nakiwe gijaka syakiwe pat. Tebat kaweru ngisi ajit kalong ba hakane gajaka ka umru ka kam kuj ka kam itenat ka mariang ru ka kam itenat ka jingking ru ka kam klan ka kam ayu ka kam skemba. Hakajing sisa hakine gisnem bala dep kidon ki uwe nong ring widiu. Hapo Amerika hapo kajing alam jong ba mormen iwan hangne hapo sinong jongi bat iwan pet ya kajingking jiri bat hadin ba ula lepai u yathu ba kane kajingking jiri lane ka karkom kajinglong jingman jong kane ka lane kajingking ka kamper ban ya kiwe te u ai jingero sibun bat hakine ki benai lane kisnem baladep kibun ba kibriu nabar jela bat ki fareng ki syat yalam kibriu napo sinong syat yalam bun sin ban wan pek yakane jingking jiri jongi. Ha kajing sisangi ngina kaliang kasinong tang siyo asngeu ya ka kubor ban wan gibriu nabar ni welcome bet. Ni pediang bet da kajing ongno da kamensim snge tenat namar ha kapor ba kiwan hangne ngisa ya dialog ngisa ya keren ngisa kwa ban paunam kamtam na kaliang kasinong namar ngisngeu don bok sibun ban don gum gini jingking jiri kibala ban kring lane ban wanra ya ka nam ka burom kamtam na kaliang ka sinong ka than ka district bat kumju ya ka state jongi ngisat ya keren bat ngisat yatu hagi officer na kaliang departemen na kaliang jong ki saheb nang te na blok jongi bat kumju na ka forest ngisat ya keren bat ngisat yatu chapang ni jingking jiri namar ngai hakini ki por ka jingking jiri dei ka wei ka jing dei ka wei ka lat ka bala ban penmi sibun lane ka ba ai aja po yang ikum gi Tanjong Kendong ka lang ba ka tourism dan ka jingking jiri ngila ban yok jam kam tam na kaliang kasinong ngila dep yakren dan nia dep peliu jingmut ba hagi por bangalong he rangba chinong ngila don ka jingya perkat rangkat ka dorbar chinong ni wan ban sina ban ayu yak ni gelenti ban kamsuk kinong wan jingok kai pertei.
To some, a living root bridge may look spooky, like snakes, big and small, entwined over each other, or like anacondas in a mating ritual. The sheer sight of the bridges is awesome, and it has attracted and will attract many visitors who will be enchanted by the marvel of this bioengineering feat. But the living root bridges of the wars of the district of Giant Hills are wonders of collaboration between humans and nature, whereby humans intervene the natural growth of a tree without causing any harm to it. Ironically, the living root bridges are the only remaining living link that connects the past with the present. It is for us to decide if identity is just like a badge we put on or continue with the value system on which our ancestors built the tribe.